I want to bring just a simple guide on CNC machining or even the rolls. Just a simple guide on CNC machining or the rolls. CNC, as I said, is just a computer numerical control where you are using this coded instruction to create or control the movement of a machine tool. If we are using subtractive or additive like laser cutter, plasma cutter, router cutter, water jet cutter, 3D printers, CNC lathe, CNC milling, all of these are using what you call CNC, computer numerical control. It is a computer that has a capability of allowing you to give a command in coding instruction like numerals, either using short turn, short mill, or what you call conversational programming, or using circular or straight programming, or using word programming language, what you call G and M code. So if you are putting this, that's now the front end way of creating programs. You're now able to control maybe they say motors or actuators or pumps to actualize motions, or servo motors or servo motors to actualize motions. Now this career is emerging in the whole world, and actually Africa is now embracing CNC. In every sector we are finding a CNC machine. There are very few skills which or few courses which are offered in different colleges. Now if you look at the market, we have what we call a CNC operator. A CNC operator is in layman language is a machine operator, where this person is given a program, he loads the program or unloads the program, he loads material or unloads material, he clamps material or unclamps material, he starts the machine or stops the machine. He basically creates setup like maybe tools, maybe fixtures or work holding. He inspects the parts, that's it, doing measurement to check if they are okay, and then he reports the defects or the issues to the person in charge. So we call them a CNC operator. Then we have a CNC machine assistant or helper. This is a person who assists the operator in also setup like material handling, tools handling, cleaning the machine, work areas, maybe preparing the tools and materials, supporting the basic quality checks. So we have these people who are also marketable in the industries. Then we have another person called CNC machinist. A CNC machinist is also close to a CNC operator. The difference is a machinist is able to set up the parts, maybe on the CNC mills, CNC lathe or CNC router, is able to inspect engineering drawings. Like remember, an operator doesn't inspect engineering drawing, but a machinist is able to inspect or interpret engineering drawings or blueprints, select the required tools and speed of feeds. This person for a CNC operator can only set up, can only stop the machine, can only load or unload material, can only report issues or even check the quality. But for a machinist, this guy is able to interpret engineering drawings or blueprints. This person is able to select the preferred tools, the cutting speed, cutting feed rate, depth of cut, all of them, so that it is input on the machine for precision machining. Then is able to troubleshoot now on machining issues. Remember, an operator detects the issues and reports to the machinist. The machinist is able to troubleshoot the machining issues. Then you have another person called CNC setter, or what we call a setup technician. This guy configures machines for production runs. He install the fixtures, the tools, the programs, adjust the cutting parameters, and then he supports the operator. So CNC operator, CNC setter can work together. We call them setup technician. Okay, so you have to understand which field you will fall into. Then you have a CNC programmer. A CNC programmer creates or writes what called G codes. In layman language, is just a preparatory language that now will command the tool to move from point A to point B to cut. So which means this person must also understand the drawing, must also understand the tools when they are creating the program. And then this person can also use a CAM software, either Mastercam, either SolidCam, either SolidWorks CAM, either Esprit, either Gips CAM, either Fusion 360 or HSM, whichever CAM software they are able to use, they are able to create programs. They can also optimize the tool parts and do assimilation, then improve the efficiency by reducing the wastage. So they have to understand the drawing, they have to understand the tools, they have to understand the program, they have to understand the cutting parameters. So we call them a programmer. And then we have a hybrid person, we call them an operator and a programmer. So this person combines the skills of CNC programming and CNC operation, and which means this person is advanced. He can do a setup, he can interpret the drawing, he can modify the cutting parameters, he can monitor and troubleshoot the program. So he does the work of a CNC machinist, he does the work of a CNC operator, a CNC setter, and CNC programmer. And then we have advanced specialist. This is advanced specialist. Well, we call them manufacturing technician. This person oversees the process and workflows, ensures this advanced troubleshooting, and maintains the standard in the workflows. Then we have a tooling engineer or designer. This person is specifically tasked for what you call tooling like mold. There's a person who is specifically for mold, specifically for dies, like maybe blow mold, injection mold, jigs and fixtures, able to design jigs and fixtures, select the correct required tools for the material, improve the precision and performance. So this is a tool engineer. I think my face now in manufacturing technician and tooling engineer. Then you have what we call a CNC process engineer. Develops the process, optimize the cycles, analyze the data, implements improvements, and also ensures the ISO quality standard. Then lastly, we have another person called what we call CAD/CAM engineer, or this is a now specialist in creating 3D models, creating CNC programs, generating tool parts using CAM, and also at the same time collaborate with design or production. And then there are specialists field like supervisory and management, like a CNC supervisor or shop supervisor. This manages the operators and machinists. They are able to schedule tasks, safety, and also quality, and also resolve issues and train the staff. We call them CNC supervisor. Then you have production manager, oversee the production operations, plans workflow and processes, and also monitors the cost, and also coordinate the departments. So there are different roles in the CNC. Then you have what we call quality control inspector in CNC. So they are able to inspect the parts using the CMM, that is coordinate measuring machines, using maybe measuring vernier, gauges, micrometer screw gauge, or all of this, so that they document the results and they ensure that compliance with the quality standard. Then we have another person called CNC lathe operator. So these are now specialized. We have either CNC lathe operator for cylindrical turning, or CNC milling operator for complex shapes, or CNC router operator for woodwork, plastic, and composites. And then we have now CNC maintenance technician. This person is able to maintain and repair machines, diagnose mechanical, electrical issues, prevent, and then also ensure that the preventive maintenance schedule followed. So the key skills are around all CNC. We have what we call blueprint. You need to understand how to read a drawing, create G and M code, ensure this precision measurement of the parts, or that's ISO. Then also is able to ensure that they're able to solve problems as they come, or set up and to ensure there's appropriate tooling selected. So this is a path. You can become a helper, that's a tool setter, from helper to operator, from operator to machinist, from machinist to programmer, from programmer to engineer, and now to supervisor or manager. So these are the careers which are in the field. And how do I attain this? We are 5-Axis Precision Academy, located in Karen, Nairobi. If you want to learn this, to be a helper, to be an operator, a machinist, a programmer, engineer, or supervisor, we will model you to who you want to be. We have the state of the DMG milling machines. Come and experience the power of CNC machines and understand your field. These are the roles that are in the whole world. So in case you want to learn this, come, we'll guide you on how to attain these skills.